In primetime news this evening, Jamaica's head of state, Queen Elizabeth II, is dead. What next for the British monarchy? We'll explore. And is there space for independent members in the Senate? The results in the RJR Gleaner Don Anderson polls.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in the business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we have some stock-related news. Barita is buying back shares on the open market, and I'll tell you why in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen. She'll tell us what's happening on the track. Karen?
Thanks, Herman. Our sprint queens sizzled at the Diamond League finals in Zurich today with podium finishes for other Jamaicans, and I'll have the details later.
I did not expect anything less. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to news that the country's head of state, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, is dead?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.